Hi, today we're reviewing Chapter 13, Emotions, the Basic Theories. Alright, so James Lange. We have the perception of the stimulus, which leads to arousal, the physical aspect, and this in turn leads to the emotion, so there's a direct link. This works really well for some things, but not all emotions. Cannon-Bard came through and said, yes, stimulus, yes, arousal, but instead of the arousal leading directly to the emotion, we are actually going to have two systems that go through and have the arousal and hit the emotion. Schachter's two-factor theory of emotion tries to answer some of the issues that occur. Stimulus, arousal, and instead of going to have a secondary system, what we have is the cognitive label, that I am afraid in this case. Now, there's another theory, the cognitive mediation, that goes through and says we actually have to account for different cognitive labels. And how do we do that? We do that by looking at factors like the environment and our cognitive system. Two other supporting theories. Zanuck, who went through and looked at temperature, among other things, and said that there were several differences that occurred in terms of different emotions. He would most likely support which theory? Lazarus, on the other hand, really looked at that cognitive labeling thing. And he very clearly said that while there doesn't always have to be conscious thinking, we have to have, at least at minimum, unconscious thinking. The end.